Adafo, Ghana for, Muson for Edwisa for, and ne is a shame. Na Perfect Center, your Bama Bobuano, and why a dear drum on my Ghana, and net me Sadia Bro bring the name and dance so Esaba, and to be in common no air shasiano, Ebusia for a then a how fibroid. I wanna why the Epiana if we saw fibroid, no, and to me near Sabi Saudi and how Uncle 2 seconds baby abra. Perfect Center, near Bessie and no amount. Made to main common sono oba sabe wako awo awongo yengina yenim sesade ne de nima bebrebe befie ede twitwamu awarija ye de bisia no emma kwan entu de bra obon paye na wo sirade no na wo sa eye ho bibido bra Perfect Center ye wa hama ya kambom ye de beboa wo ama awo no aba na me de main common no eto aso no minia mano ebia na white hawa dwen emwa ebema sabi ubeyiri no bonwu akonya gonorrhea ubewunu na bi kwa kosi wa wo kwan da bi sianu sesi anti bra Perfect Center ye wo ebibiduo kanya ye de beboa wo ama white no eto etwa na me de me komo no esa eto aso no diabetes mia me busu ni ba ko efra nani diabetes nya yarepa enti no pese wo sianu dia eye ya ha ma ne ye bibi no never bow ama no ma yeden esi ti se wo bia menua e wo ho na se hawa go to sekengu ba Perfect Center ye besi ano amaw na Debbie Ayaka, when ya menopause, when ya say, Adafo, ya dream ye nua ma ho, ya dream Ghana ma ho, ya dream ye ma bebre ho, and the premature menopause a draw aba, and no yet sabe. A draw yeah a free obi man so ever where ya baby draw ya kabo ma ya de be boaw obosa wono no ma e be boaw ama ne ma keka se no na bra wo fa enkasa bebre set ne ma na e hamma no e na hepatitis B nua ekum si HIV enti se wo bi wo ho a siamon tem ansa na kofa ne wo mpen de abro enti adro so wa ha me ni gye mo pa ne ya keka bo na be boaw ama to ai de etwa na menua ma na sebe ye kese adodo no kese bebre ne yare oti ase enti no Perfect Center akeka bi drop bomu a slimming tea awo benom ayiyi yare bonne afi wo ba bi asebe na wo fuso dodo ebe yiyi niema afiri wo niema emoa because akeka ho a ede yare na eden ebreyen enti Perfect Center yaba ama obi biara ena mi twate no on se obi wo ho a na nenso obey na pimples na wo hwese ne manim dawo kama fefefe ya edu safo a misikwe bra ko ne wo di ye wani mu a eyi pimple na nso obey ebia na rashes wo hu we ebeboa wo amma atonti ye friend perfect so.
Okay, you're welcome to Perfect Herbal Center. As everybody know, if you come to Perfect Herbal Center with your sickness or with your problem, I can fit take leaves cure your sickness. I can fit take leaves stop all your problem and your life will come better. That's why I want to show you some different type of medicine. This is sexual weakness, like manpower. The main way, if you perform well on the bed, you can use that medicine for me. So one is wooden, one is powder. Like if you don't like to use drink, you can use the powder one with cocoa or tea, and this you can use with any drink. So is it manpower for powerful, you will perform well on the bed. This one is totally impotence. You see some people, like you can feel urinate on some leaves, or they do something for you when your mouth would go off, they wake up at all. You can use that medicine. But before you use that medicine, I'll show you this soap. With that soap, you could take what inside your mouth would all. Because baby, if something will make it go off, or somebody will do something for you, you can convert all that bad. So if you start to use the medicine, your mouth will wake up properly. This medicine is penis enlargement. Like some people will get small manhood because of what? You see some people, they born you. When they born you, you are small. When your father, your mother cut your manhood. So the time that they cut in, it enter inside by force. So if you are grown, your mouth will be small. If you meet some girl, they will be talk about you. So you can use that medicine. If you want to make it be long, you could make it like this. It's just oil. If you want make it be big, you go make it like this. So big and long for enlargement of manhood. This one, some people way if you marry, you get your wife, to give pregnancy is difficult. This one is low sperm count. You can give birth quickly. See that medicine. Some people will get fat is big stomach, or the full person is fat. Man, you can use that slimming medicine. It will make it your fat all go convert. It will come down. Your stomach will come small. So it's slimming medicine. This one is lucky soap. How you go use it? You go take bath like you are woman, you are man, and you dey go market after evening. You know they sell, nothing know they move. You can use lucky soap to bring your market come out. This is blessing handkerchief. That blessing handkerchief, you will see some chameleon on the inside. That chameleon, the life change color. Like you are some people, you dey suffer some problem dey in your body. You go front, nothing no go. You come back, nothing no go. When you start to use that handkerchief, you go bring your life back. Anything wey you do, all your business will come out. You go top. Everything will be better for your life. We get more medicine, but you know we talk about all. So if you get some question, you can call Perfect Herbal Center number to ask any question you get. Example, this is a hernia medicine. Don't go hospital to make operation for yourself. Come buy that medicine. This one is libido. Libido, man and woman, where you know get sweet in your body. You can buy that libido medicine. This is for bed wetting. If you sleep all the times, every night you urinate on the bed, you can use that medicine. Okay, you see the old man. You can be somewhere, you dey sick. You keep your work no go up. Everything collapse. You are woman. If you catch something that you know they move, promise and fail. If you get your husband, small time problem will come. You are man. If you get your lady to marry, small time problem will come. If you talk with him tomorrow, he will turn other things. Promise and fail. Anything you take with your hand, it is spoil. You go front, nothing will go. You go left, nothing will go. I want to come see the old man. To old man go consult your life. Consultation. My consultation free is 2 cedis 10 pesos. If you want to consult your life to know all the problem will worry you, anything will worry your life, take 2 cedis 10 pesos to come to Perfect Herbal Center. It will make it all your problem. It will talk to you to find solution for you. So your problem, if anything will worry you, it will talk to you like in your room. So that come to Perfect Herbal Center to
Brad transfer poga so we drag your numbers in the guasiano frey and your baby found a show now what tower would you asida ama asafo ready